My dear brothers and sisters, it is said there was a lady who was quite unwell, and many people came to visit her, to console her. And she will look at them, smile at them, they will move on. And then she will say, there is the robin, that bird, he says, who sings, and I feel happy. That was a much bigger smile, she will say, when it rains and pours, all other birds are quiet. But this bird keeps on singing, and that is the why I have the energy to move on in life. My brothers and sisters, we are in a season of Advent, a time when we are going to receive or going to celebrate the author of life, who came more than 2,000 years back. And today's readings we have heard clearly talk about this life who will come in the world, who is there among us, but we need to get in touch with him. In the first reading we heard about the second David. The prophet says when that second David comes, there will be peace, harmony, unity, life. Where there is life, there is peace. Where there is joy, there is peace. In the gospel passage, we also heard something similar. Jesus was filled with the Spirit, and he exclaimed, he says, I thank you, Father, for hiding these things from the wise and learned and revealing them to little ones. And who are the little ones? Not just children, babies, but all those who are little, in the sense of who are simple, loving, kind, honest. And this is what happened when Jesus came in the world. He brought life. And those whose hearts and minds are open, they accepted life. Like those sinners, tax collectors, and all those who were sick. And when the life came into themselves, they were totally changed and brought life in their own surrounding. But those who had blocked themselves, religious leaders, Pharisees, scribes, so on, life did not come into them, but there was a huge, huge block in them. Is there such a block in us? In the season of Advent, we are going to have lots of things. The squire here, who has got here, she'll go around with organizing carol singing to bring life to those who are in the dumps. It could be anyone, maybe in hospitals, maybe in orphanages. They'll go and sing. There will also youth groups going around church singing to bring that life to those who have no life. How can I bring that own life into my own life if we are in darkness? Surely all of us are in darkness. Some sort of darkness. We're busy these days, brightening the entire houses with so many lights and decorations. But what about us within ourselves? What do you plan to do to bring that life into ourselves? Let's pause for a while. And as we are in the season of Advent, with the season of hope, of joy, of peace, happiness, what will I do to bring that life into my own life?